Hi, Duat Botha is the name, prompting is the game. If you only use AI to get answer, you're missing the real value. Most people use ChatGPT like this. They ask a question, they get an answer, and then they move on. But that keeps you at surface level. You're getting responses, but not improving your thinking. The real power of AI is not answering, it is challenging. It can point out things that you are not seeing. Gaps in your thinking, weak points in your ideas, and assumptions you didn't question. Instead of asking, is this a good idea? Ask, what am I missing? What are the weak points in this? What would make this significantly stronger? Now the AI shift roles. It is no longer helping, it's evaluating. And that is where better decisions come from. But again, structure matters. If you don't define who the AI is, what kind of feedback you want, and you'll still get generic responses. When you structure it properly, the feedback becomes useful. Instead of, is this business good? Try, you are a business strategist. Context, I want to start a low cost online business. Task, identify weaknesses in this idea and suggest improvements. Now the response becomes actionable. This is the shift. AI is not just there to help you, it can challenge you. And that is where the real progress happens. If you want a simple framework that shows how to structure prompts like this properly, I've put together a short guide. You can download it in the link below. And if this way of thinking is useful to you, consider subscribing. I'll be building on this in the next videos.